to open a gateway to exploring the universe in ways that transcend traditional boundaries. They invite us to consider the possibility that the universe is far more complex and interconnected than we have previously imagined. As we continue to explore these ideas, we may find that the answers to some of the universe's greatest mysteries lie not in the straight lines and flat planes of old, but in the loops, curves, and multidimensional spaces of a new mathematical understanding.
Our planet is moving away from our sun at 6 inches a year. You guys know that. 15 centimeters a year, our planet is pushing away from the sun. So in less than 500 million years, our planet will be out of the Goldilocks zone. We'll be somewhere near where Mars is, somewhere halfway between there. So life will not be able to be sustained on this planet anymore. So if we're going to be able to sustain ourselves as a species, we have to become interstellar. Not just interplanetary, we have to become interstellar.